Hey, what's up? This is Joseph and welcome to another Photofox lesson. So in this class, we'll be learning about tone, which is a set of tools that let us make color correction, play around with the light and the shadow, and the general look of the image. So let's begin. Here, we have this image from previous lessons, and the first feature that we're going to be using in tone is filters. As you can see, we have many different filters and each one has a unique look that you can adjust by swiping right or left in order to get different kind of intensity. And as we said on previous lessons, you can locally erase the effect by using eraser. The next one is Darkroom. Darkroom is great for professional adjustments of your image. As you can see, we have many presets, but you can also create your own one. Let's take a look at the tools. In Basic, we have Brightness, which raises the amount of light, but trying to keep a natural look. Contrast will increase the difference between the dark and the lights. Exposure will increase only the light without affecting too much the dark areas. And Offset will add or reduce light until the point where everything is white or black. Details, on the other hand, will help your image pop out. For example, a structure will give your photo an HDR look, or Sharpen, which is great for a crispy result. We're not going to go over every tool, because the best way to understand them is by trying them. Then we have Color, where you can raise saturation, change the hue, play with temperature, tint, or Vibrance, which adds saturation but keeping a natural look. White Balance is great to fix yellowish or bluish photos. All you need to do is to step on a white spot. Then there is Split Tone that lets you play with the dark hues and the light hues. And Curves that allows you to control the color channels in a separate way through this widget. If you'd like to save these adjustments, tap on Presets and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom. You can always compare the result with the original by tapping here. The next tool is Adjust, which is a non-pro tool that has some of the best features within Darkroom, but without the option of saving any preset. This is the end of part 1 of tones, but I'm gonna see you on the second part of this lesson. Thank you for watching.